guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's a Dollar Tree haul, and this was very unexpected because I have a ton of stuff to already do. I'm like kind of really far behind on like DIYs and stuff like that, so I wanted to like not buy anything and then like use everything I had, but it's so hard doing that. Everything I bought today I wasn't able to find, or I haven't even seen half of it at any of my normal Dollar Trees I go to, so this was one that we like never go to. I've never been to this one, so it was so exciting and overwhelming because it was actually like pretty big. It looked really small, but it was big. Okay, anyway, they had so much fall stuff and I like was so excited. So the first things that I found were these little pumpkin candle holders. I'm pretty sure they're candle holders because there's a bunch of candles next to them. Oh, it says right at the bottom, candle holder. So I was right, candle holders. But these are so cute. I think I'm gonna paint them. Those are adorable. And then I got two candles. These were just so cute. I love like the rope around them, and I love like this little metal leaf. I just thought these were so cute. So even if I do like stick those in there or something, these fit like perfect inside here, like if you take all the extra stuff off of them. But these were like next to each other, so cute. And then I also found this vase, or this is probably a candle holder too. This is so cute. I just love these little, cute. I can't get over this stuff. Like I was so excited finding things and like seeing things that I haven't even seen online. I picked up some of these white pumpkins. I also grabbed this like light teal green, whatever you want to call this color. I thought those would be all like super cute together. I also grabbed some of these leaves. I don't know what to do with these. I hate the sparkles. Like I said, I do not like glittery decor, but we'll work with it. So those were cute. I grabbed these. You're like wax warmers. These are in the shapes of leaves, and there was just something about these, I guess. It says it's supposed to smell like maple pumpkin cream, but when I like kind of smelled them, they kind of smell just like wax. You never know, because sometimes it might not be like, it might not stink that bad. So I grabbed two of these just in case. If not, then I can always like use them for decor or some kind of like vase filler possibly. I don't know. I grabbed this pumpkin spice potpourri. This stuff smells so good. And if you can already smell it when it's in the bag, you know it's a winner. I did find some of these maple leaves. These are really tiny ones. Just picked these up because I don't have any like really tiny ones, so I really wanted those. I just grabbed a couple things of flowers. I just grabbed two of these mini mums in orange and two of these in this white. I just really liked this like color palette. I thought that maybe I could do, you know, some kind of decorating with the white. Presley was with me and she loved this, so we just grabbed that because how cute. It's just a cute little dog, and Scarlett and Presley love animals. And then I also just picked up more of these little clip-on pumpkins. I got two of the white and then just one of these orange ones. Like I've already used all of them, and I probably bought 4 or 5 bags of them, and you find so many different ways to use these. It's like just too exciting. I grabbed this. It says thankful and blessed. I'm going to be probably painting this, doing some sort of decor with this as well, which I kind of like thought this was funny because like I don't ever think like my DIYs are like the most perfect, and then you buy something and then there's like paint, and then there's like paint all over the back of this. Oh, you can't really see, but there's paint all over the back of this of orange. So I really don't feel, you know, now I feel like it's okay. And then the last thing I found, I have not seen these. They are organizers and they have lids, and they're like the thick plastic. So this one has like a 3-compartment one. I really liked this one. So I grabbed 2 of these, and then I also grabbed 2 of these. These are all organizers with lids. I thought that was insane, you guys. Like you could like put these in your bathroom or use it for craft supplies. I don't know even what I'm gonna do with them, but I was like, this is like a really good deal, especially because it's like that nice thick plastic. Anyways, that is it for my haul. I was excited to find some new items because it just makes me excited to go there anyways. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.